Mitch installed all the tile here in the breakfast area. So that'll be kind of interesting when it's all done. We're all painted in here now. So not a lot going on right now. Waiting for materials, hardwood floors to get here. Got the wall restored here after redoing wiring. Okay, we are going to connect into the hot there and the cold, and we're going to route them over here and through the wall there. So Mitch is already on this one here. That's a that was supposed to be 3/4 inch. Okay, anyway. So we had to tear down the ceiling to get to that because they wanted to do something different in the kitchen, and that necessitated changing all the plumbing that was in that support wall. To pull out the support wall and put in a beam and then reroute all the plumbing and wiring that was in there. So we just mudded up against the wall and ceiling, filled some voids at the top of that wall, taped over it, and put in a nice big patch in the ceiling here. That finishes the basement again. All the ceiling is back up. We'll just wait for this mud to dry, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. Some of it's kind of thick. And sand it, prime it, paint it, and that should be it for the basement area. Okay, it is the 3rd of July, 2019. Okay, we got the tile installed here. Looks pretty good. And we got lucky with the way it lined up with the pipes. We didn't have to really do much cutting. We cut a circle and then slotted about 1/4 inch of tile out on the edge, and the tile stuck right in around the pipe. It'll grout, put a chrome scutcheon plate over it, and it will be perfect.